welcome back to Swiss Beauty Cosmetic, and today I'm going to show you some quick and effective ways to do your skincare before makeup. So the first step is sheet mask. This is lemon and vitamin C sheet mask. So let's start. So I've applied this and I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes and it will instantly brighten up my skin. Now I just remove this and now I'm going to massage the remaining one into my skin. So next step is Swiss Beauty Hydra Eye Serum Patch, and this will help in reducing my puffiness under my eyes. Now I've applied this for 10 minutes and I'm going to wait until my eyes are depuffed. The next step is applying the serum. It has gold particles, you can see it's 24 karat, and it helps my skin to get a perfect glow. So I'm going to drop some few drops into my fingers and I'm going to apply it. So next step is Lip Tint Oil from Swiss Beauty, and it's very effective. It's very good for monsoon season. It's gonna hydrate my lips so well. And this is multi-purpose as well. You can also apply it on your cheeks, on your lips, and it gives you very good hydration in monsoon season. So now I'm done with my skincare, and now before makeup I'm going to apply a primer, Swiss Beauty Mattifying Makeup Primer, and it's very good for my skin prep before makeup. It's gonna blur out my pores and it gives me a flawless face. That's it for my skincare, and I hope you like this video. This is what I do during the festive season, and I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe and share the video. Bye bye.